welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a trans pride cake. I know that I just recently made a pride cake. I think it was last week when it came out. So this week I'm making a trans pride cake specifically for those who are transgender. And I feel like this is necessary because there are members of the LGBT community who do not support those who are transgender. And I don't think that that's right, and I think that transgender people go through so much and have so many struggles that the least we could do is treat them like human beings. So that's what I wanted to share with the world, so let's get started.
I started out frosting a 4-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. Then I started out with the transgender flag on the top of the cake. The transgender flag has a stripe of blue, a stripe of pink, white, pink, and blue. Blue represents typically male, pink typical female, and white gender neutral. The design is symmetrical, so no matter which way you fly it, you're correct. I have a total of 5 flags to make for the side, so I marked the edges of where I want to place the flags. This first flag on the side is the genderqueer flag. The green represents genders that fall outside of the binary male and female. White represents no gender, and purple represents androgyny, being a mix of blue and pink, or traditional male and female colors. The next flag is the non-binary flag. This represents all people who do not feel like they fall within male and female. The black represents people who feel they do not have a gender. The purple represents a mix of male and female genders. The white represents people who identify with all genders. And the yellow represents people who fall outside of the binary. This flag is the gender fluid flag, for those who feel that their gender changes. The blue represents masculinity, pink femininity, purple mix of the two, white for all genders, and black for no gender. You will notice the symbolism of a lot of these flags repeats. This is the agender pride flag. This is for those who feel they have no gender. The black represents the lack of gender, white, all genders, gray, semi-genderless, and green for non-binary genders. Once again, this flag is symmetrical, so no matter which way you fly it, it's correct. Now this one I'm including here, but I feel kind of like it stands alone, being neither a true gender nor a sexuality. This is the intersex flag, representing those who are born with more than one reproductive organ. The yellow and purple are considered hermaphrodite colors, which are what intersex people used to be called. The circle in the middle represents completeness or wholeness. Then I added a blue snake around the edge of the cake to cover the uneven edges. I am really satisfied with this cake. Transgender people need representation as they are not accepted by so many different groups of people. They already grew up with gender dysmorphia, and particularly non-binary people are not generally accepted by society. So this is my attempt to improve that situation. I accept you, regardless of your gender or lack thereof. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.